Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden. I love making everything that has to do with junk journals, and if this is something you enjoy too, please subscribe. So, speaking of subscribers, we're on to our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So to enter, you need to subscribe and leave a respectful comment. So a shout out to Sue, Maybelline, 8446 Linda, Joyce, Christy B65. Oh, I appreciate each and every one of you. Today we're going to do some shaker cards with some inspirational little messages. So I cut out these little cards here, and I got these cards from the paper book. Let me grab it here. This one, the paper pad right here. Apricot Honey, Prima Marketing Incorporated. So that is where I got these. They're right here. Right here. Okay, so that's where I got those little inspirational cards from. And I picked them for a couple of reasons, because I think they're really sweet, and because the back is what is going to be the background of the little, the back of the shaker card. So I'm going to make this be the front because I'm making another journal for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway, and this is the cover of the journal. It's going to be the peaches, the greens, the creams, the whites. It's going to be this. So I thought that this would go nicely in the journal. So I'm just thinking of the journal, guys, so that I can make things to go inside. So I cut these, and then I cut my second piece the same size, or close to it. So this is going to be the front, and this is going to be the back. But when we put the hole in here to see the shaker stuff, we're going to be seeing this, which is really nice. Really nice. I wouldn't want to see like this. This would be too busy for me to be able to see the little shakers. So I got a few of my punches. I have my flower punch from who knows where. We have no idea where this is from. And the smaller flower punch, once again. Oh no, this one's a Fisker. This one doesn't have a name on it though, guys. And then you could also do like a butterfly if you wanted to. There's no reason why you couldn't do a butterfly. Or any other little punch that you have that you think is sweet and you would like to use. All right, so I am going to punch my flower out, and I'm going to try to position it in the middle of this card by kind of lining it up the best I can. I'm just eyeballing it. I'm hoping that's in the middle. I'm going to give it a little punch. I am going to save these little flowers because we can use them for something else. So here we are. This is our punch. So we're going to, the next thing we need to do is we need our little plastic to be able to put our glitter and our sequins in. Now, I save every time, here's my box, every time I get something, I save the wrappers from it. You know, this was inside the Ideology Tim Holtz, and it comes with the wrapper over the front. I take the wrapper off. So I like this one. I just keep it. I keep all these things so that you have this plastic whenever you need it, and I just keep it in this box. Looks like I need a bigger box, but anyway, that's where it lives. So I pulled out a couple of them, and it fits pretty nicely on here. We'll have to cut it to make it fit, but it'll be fine. So I think I want this to be on the top and this to be on the bottom. So I want it to go on like this. like I said, I'll probably have to trim it, but that's okay. That's perfectly fine. I want to make sure that's the right way up. Happiness looks gorgeous on you. So I am going to stitch 3 sides. I'm going to start up here. Oh, goodness gracious, you can't even see, guys. I'm sorry. Did you see that happiness looks gorgeous on you? Okay, so sorry about that. I'm going to put this on the bottom, the heaviness, the part that's not stamped. I'm going to sew 3 sides. I'm going to start up here at the top, and I'm going to go down, cross, and back up. That leaves this open so I can fill it. So I'm going to do that, and I will be right back. All right, you guys, I stitched all the way around except for the top. Now I would like to trim the excess off. Just give it a little trim. I don't have to worry about that. I think I might just leave that open so that, no, I have to cut it. It's not open. I'll cut it like that. That way I'll be able to get into it easier. Alrighty, so I'm going to open this up just like this. Put my finger in there and get it open, get it to stay open. Yes. Now I'm going to open up my sequins. I chose this color sequins and a little bit of the dust and a little bit of the flakes. So I would like to put in my sequins first. Let me get this back open. This is the trickiest part of all of it, is to get this open and to keep it open while you fill it up. So I'd like to put my sequins in here. I'm going to put a little bit of this dusty pieces in. It's this such a pretty peach color. And I'm going to pour just a little bit of this in. Alrighty. Now I'm going to need to sew this closed. Be right back. Okay, guys, I sewed it closed. This is how it looks on the back. This is how it looks on the front. Just a little shaker card and shake it around. So what I'd like, ooh, I don't want to spill that. Let's shut that before I end up spilling it, which I would. Yeah, that'd be something I would do. Okay, move this out of the way. You could stamp this if you want, or you could put whatever you want here, whatever little saying or words you want. This is the Tim Holt ideology, small talk. And that's where I got this from. So there's got to be one here in black. Here, leave a little sparkle wherever you go. That is what I'd like to put on this one that we just made. So I'd like to cut this right after the word sparkle. There we are. And I'm going to put this here, leave a little sparkle wherever you go is coming. There we go, you guys. What do you think? Isn't it cute? It'll be so cute in the new giveaway journal. Here's another one I made earlier, and another one that I made. I put the 2 small ones. And then see, this one says, "You make my heart smile." This one says, "You have been assigned this mountain to show others it can be moved." And the one we just made, which says, "Happiness looks gorgeous on you." Oh, you guys, I had great fun. I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.